Good morning, dear Sicily lovers. Good morning, dear Sicily lovers, and welcome to the most beautiful beach that we have in Italy, not only in Sicily. This is our breakfast room, so every morning we are enjoying this wonderful view in this beautiful hotel that faces just Isola Bella.
Let me say something, because you wrongly said something, Rosella.
Oh, what?
Good morning, hello everyone. So Rosella said, welcome to the most beautiful beach. No, welcome to the most beautiful hotel facing one of the most beautiful beaches in Sicily, in Italy. So the hotel deserves our advertising. This is the Panoramic Hotel. If you visit Sicily, if you choose Taormina as your home base to explore the northeast of Sicily, Panoramic is the best. It's a 4-star hotel with amazing view on Isola Bella, the beautiful island in Italian. And it's one of the most famous, popular beaches in the world. It's a very, very small isle connected to the mainland, and I please ask you to zoom in to display the people who are walking on the little stripe of sand that connects the mainland to the isle, to Isola Bella. So it's not crowded, and if you are lucky, you can also stay. Oh, an helicopter. An helicopter is passing right now. So, if you are lucky, you can relax right in the narrow piece of land, stripe of land that connects the mainland to the isle.
And not only the breakfast room and the swimming pool face the Isola Bella, but also the rooms.
Yeah, this is an important feature. This hotel doesn't have any rooms facing the mountain or the garden, as usually it is. All the rooms in this hotel face Isola Bella, so have the same beautiful view on Isola Bella.
And so our Sicily lovers are so happy and lucky.
And let me say that, as always, the best at the end, because in our tours we used to end the tour here in Taormina, in this beautiful hotel. So this is the case of our clients who joined the Sicily Lovers Tour 2022. In the next edition, 2023, it will be the same. So if you want to join us, this is what you are expecting to. So the last days of the tour will be here in Taormina with this amazing chance to enjoy one of the best seaside locations in the world. And
would you like to remind our friends the dates of the next edition?
yeah, from May 29 to June 10, 2023. So next year. Save the date, because now we sold the 70% of the spots. There are only few spots available. We are super happy, super proud, because we made a good advertising, a good promotion, but it seems that our followers, thank you guys for following us, you understood Gianca's and Rosella's touch, our way to work. And you already know that joining our Tours of Sicily is something unique, because we try every time to put together beautiful experiences, not only the visit of the highlights, but also the experiences with local people, great wine and food experiences, and of course, we choose for you the best hotels, so the best home bases to explore our beloved island, Sicily, in the best possible way, trying to, reduce the driving time, try to give you some leisure time every day. In this case,
like
the end of
today.
the tour, like today, the end of the tour will be at leisure. So today is the last day of the tour. Tomorrow our friends will travel, will leave Sicily. But today is a completely day at leisure. We only have a farewell dinner tonight from a beautiful restaurant in the area in between Taormina and Castelmola, with amazing view. If you've been following us, you already know what I mean. It's one of the best views in the world. We can see the Mount Etna as well. Also the Bay of Naxos from the restaurant, but in particular Mount Etna. And we are expecting a great show tonight, because Mount Etna is active. And 2 days ago we had the opportunity to visit Mount Etna and to see a lava flow. So this is the case. Tonight we will enjoy again a lava flow from the restaurant. So we are super happy.
The only sad thing, is that our Sicily lovers.
Aspetta.
We have to say bye-bye to our Sicily lovers tonight. So it will be a night full of tears for me, and I bet also Gianca will cry. This time also Gianca will cry.
I think so. This time will be a very sad night, because we have a beautiful group, beautiful people. The majority of them have a Sicilian origin, so we understand how difficult it will be for them to leave Sicily tomorrow.
Yeah.
But
it will be, and see you soon in the States or again in Sicily.
Sure. Let me display once again Isola Bella, because I would like to say something about the feature of our beautiful sea. So this is the Ionian Sea, and as you can see, all the people are enjoying the beach. But what I mean not only stay in the beach doing nothing. Can you see people enjoying the sea? I mean people who are right into the water, because it's a sort of swimming pool. The Mediterranean, so the Sicilian Sea, is so safe. You can swim.
The water is so calm.
I don't. Okay, I'm trying to display some people who are swimming.
Yeah.
So the sea is always calm, always safe. No big waves, no sharks, no dangerous fish, no deadly jellyfish. And so
because
you
this is not the ocean, guys.
So don't say again, please don't say again. You have the ocean. We don't have the ocean. We have something better, something amazing that offers us the possibility to have a great leisure time. I know that sometimes it doesn't belong to the culture of people because you are not used to. But if you come to Sicily, you can miss this opportunity. This is the leisure to the ultimate point, in my opinion.
And we hope today to have our swim as well,
No,
right, Gianca?
no. Without we hope. We will go. No doubt.
Yes.
No doubt. Here we are again.
So, as Gianca told you, we will have our swim. And for me, will be the first swim of the year. So I'm very happy because this is the perfect place for me. I'm not a fish, so I cannot swim very well. And as you can see, the water is calm, so you can swim without fears.
And let me say that we deserve this leisure time because we are at the end of a very, very beautiful tour, but so tiring for us because we had to plan everything in advance, of course. I would like to confess that we've been working on this tour for 3 years, so the last 3 years. We had to postpone because of the pandemic many times, but the time is now, and so we are at the end of our experience, and now we can enjoy our time. Are you happy, Rosella?
More than happy.
She deserves. She deserves.
One for you as well?
No, if you want, but I only need my swim time. Thank you, Rosella. I'm joking. Okay, guys, for the morning, it's all.
Yes, for sure tonight we will make another live broadcast.
This is 10:50 a.m. here in Sicily, but tonight I'm pretty sure we will broadcast again from the restaurant, the beautiful restaurant with a great view on Mount Etna and the Bay of Naxos.
Yeah.
And we hope to display you the lava flow from Mount Etna.
We hope so.
So in the meantime, we wish you a great Tuesday. Is it Tuesday today? Yeah.
Yes.
Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. See you later, guys. Thanks for watching. And what else?
Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily.
Ciao.
Ciao, dear Sicily lovers.
Ciao.